either you are acquiring customers or you are keeping them, basically retaining them. And first of all, acquisition, what we say are 3 points that you need to sort of keep in mind and focus on. It is being flexible, and then also correctly targeted, and then diversified. Now, what we mean with those things is basically that you are specific on the people you want to acquire and not trying to acquire everyone. If you're trying to acquire a small group of people that you can make your fans, it will help you. Retention is a different approach and is more keeping them in the loop. Treat them like a family member. Don't just go for the convince. Make them feel special, which is the point of exclusivity. And a benefit of doing retention is you get social proof. So if you take care of the people, they'll take care of you.
I've also found, I don't know about you, but I've never found a business where it has been, where it hasn't been cheaper for retention over acquisition. Mm-hmm. Every business I've ever seen is always cheaper to market and get retention customers, so getting customers back, than it is to acquire new customers from the start, because you already have, you've already got past that whole first step of marketing of who are they, what do they do, what's their product, how do it, like, they've already used your product or service, they already know who you are. If you have a good product or service, they probably already have a good perception of your company. So don't underestimate retention. A lot of people, especially in the B2B space, they're constantly trying to churn and get new clients, new customers. Don't forget to look back at your current customers or previous customers and look at upselling or how you can possibly, as you said, give more value to those current customers that you already have.
Because they will speak for you. You don't even have to. The more you focus on retention, basically, the less you have to do up front.
Yeah, exactly. It saves a lot of time and a lot of money.